Hello unicorns, welcome to Tales of Unicorn. This is me Haritha. So if you're new to this channel, please do watch this video completely, and if you like it, please do subscribe this channel. So today here I am at Chetpet Eco Park. Entrance romba பெருசா இருக்கு, but உள்ள எப்படி இருக்குன்றது தெரியல, and this is my first time here. So let us go inside and see how it looks. I checked out this place in Google and the night view was amazing. All these lights were lit and for the night view it was so perfect. This park is situated very near to the Kiel Park metro. You can see it's just 100 meters and the metro is right over there. You'll also have opposite side of the metro here, and it's also very nearby to the KMC hospital. So finding this is very easy. Location Google Maps la தேவையே இல்ல.
So as soon as you enter, you can find a parking area. So if you're coming in your own vehicle, you can go and park your vehicles there. So this is the way towards the ticket counter. So let's go and buy the tickets. Ticket counter, the rates are mentioned very clearly. You can just pause the video to see the rates. The rates for aquarium, boating and fishing are mentioned very clearly. So this is the exact entrance to the park. We have bought tickets only for walking right now. The price of the park for the adults is just 25 rupees, and for the aquarium they are charging 50 rupees. This price is only for adults. For kids it differs. The boating opens at 10 a.m. but the aquarium opens only at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. So this is the Chetpet Lake for boating, and the park pavement starts from here. It goes over there and there, but iduthaan lake, and as you can see the boats are over there.
Place is really calm. The time is around 10:30 in the morning, and you know the traffic sounds, nothing. We can't listen anything inside here. You can see the pavement. It's not so busy too, and from there you can just go and watch the view too.
For your morning or evening walks inside the city, Solanumna, it's the best place because, as I already mentioned, it is very calm inside here. And for those walkers, they are giving a pass here, and the timing for the walkers is from 4:30 to 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. in the evening. If you have any doubts, you can inquire at the ticket counter. So here is a place for shelter. Actually it looks in the shape of an hut, in the form of an hut. After your morning walks or just to chill out with your friends, you can come and sit here, spend some quality time. You can have some relaxation time, as the park is so peaceful. Outside food is not entertained inside, but this is definitely a cool place. As it is an open place, I don't think this place will be suitable for rainy season, but you can definitely come over here during the winters and summers. Attached to this lake is this Eco Park resort rooms, maybe kind of a lake view resort, but I do not know anything about the rooms. So before you come here, you can just check the internet for reviews and then choose this place. So finally, after taking a long stroll in this 16-acre widespread park, this is the boating area. So your boating journey will start right from here. You will go there, go beyond that bridge. Actually, this lake continues even beyond that bridge, and then you will come around this Kuti Island, and your boating journey will end back here at the start point. So it's 11:30 a.m. in the morning right now. It feels so sunny. அதனால தான் I'm not going for this boating. But on the evening, just imagine ஒரு long stressful-ஆன டேக்கு அப்புறம் with your family or friends, you can come here and do this boating because it will be a really relaxed experience. சென்னையில் போட்டிங்னாலே முட்டுக்காடு ஈஸியாக தான் ஞாபகம் வரும். But அது ஒரு long drive. It takes a long drive to reach there. But this place is easily accessible by trains and buses. So do visit this place with your family and friends.
So guys, this is the end of this Chetpet Eco Park tour. So if you are free in the weekends or if you wish to have some peaceful quality time with your family, you can definitely come and visit this place. I've set the location at the start of the video and I'm going to put it down in the description too. So go check it out, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe this channel Tales of Unicorn. See you guys real soon in my next video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.